भाई हेलो हाय स्माइल तो कर थोड़ा सा Yo, cheers! Cheers!
Cheers.
Not even promoting her thing. Wow! Come on.
आगे रहेगा.
Oh my God. Let's make dumplings, or at least need the dough, because I also have to make those dumpling wrappers. So I need to first make those, then I'll work with filling. Yes, let's go. I hate it. There are so many horns. Welcome to a book yapping session of mine, and I want to talk about this book. Yeah, I completed reading this yesterday, and it is a straight up 5-star. Okay, it is a straight up 5-star. You just have to read it. Whether if you're into reading or not, you just have to read it. I would recommend this book to everyone, and this is a book which revolves around spirituality and love, and in dual timelines actually. There is this middle-aged housewife named Ella, which who like reviews a book, and that book is about Rumi's preachings and Rumi's friendship with Shams, and also in that book we actually come to know about the 40 rules of love which are like given by Shams, and it is profound with the theme of depth, and it is just compelling. Like this book is compelling. You just have to read it. And this is not a fast-paced book at all. Like I usually take some 3 or 4 days to complete a book, and I can be more quicker, but I just like being in that book. But I took some more than like a week for this. Yeah, so it is not a fast-paced book, but this journey is like worth taking. And yes, I just want to say about this book. Also, my next read would be The Gardener. Yep, I'll be reading it. Finally, I'll be reading this book. I also want to read Book Lovers and A Little Life, but that book is quite scary. I've seen people just cry so bad, and that book is scary but exhilarating. So yes, it's harrowing and exhilarating. I read this thing in this book. Yep. I read it yesterday. It's harrowing and exhilarating, which means a bit like distressing and exciting at the same time, which is also said by the Times of India about this book. Yes, anyways.
Thinking of you, thinking of you.